Hello, I'm Val. This is Uptown Swing and Sham months. We finished regular Sham. So we did talk about how you dance it twice through, second time around. You do shimmies as well as you can, and then you also freeze on full breaks. And then we did that last chunk. It goes like this. And 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it's boogie backs and shorty Georges. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you dance that, and then you just social dance or hang out with your friends. Then we started Alan Leon Sham. This is what it looks like. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. Then it's pushes. If you want, you can add this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take your innies. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2. I'm also going to show a version of that beginning. You can also do 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. If you want, that's it. Have fun with it.